Alrighty, this is Euclid Book 2, proposition number 10, and hopefully the final part of this video. Now, we've got to go to EA. Well, this is EA here, okay? And the area inside of EA here is twice the size of the area inside of AC. Now, we're talking about the squares that would be formed on EA and AC if we were to form squares. Okay, so AC would be one side of a four-sided square, and the other three sides would be equal in length to AC. And of course, the same deal here. We'd have EA as one side of a square, and all the other three sides of the square would be equal in length to EA, so on and so forth. So the area up here would be twice the size of the area down here. Now, if you were to add the area inside of AE, here's AE here, and EG, well, where's EG? Right here. You would get twice the area of what you'd find in AC and CD. Well, where's CD? Well, CD's right here, AC's right here, so if you were to form a square here and a square over here with CD, remembering that CD would be one side of the square, and then of course you have three other sides that would come down and they'd be equal in size to CD. So, AE and EG, the areas over here, would be twice the size of AC and CD. Okay? Now, the area inside of AD and DG, well, first of all, you have to find AD. Well, here's AD. Okay, so we'd form a great big square using AD as one of the sides. And DG, here's DG, here's the area inside of that, is going to be equal in size to AG. Okay, so where's AG? Right here. AG is right here, so there'd be an area right here. So, if you have the area of AD plus the area of DG added together, they would be the area of AG. And that's by Euclid Book 1, proposition number 47. Therefore, the squares on AD, DG are double the squares on AC, CD. And I think you can pretty much figure this whole thing out by now. And DG is equal to DB. Well, DG, okay, here's the length of DG, and a DB is this length right here. And we already said previously that they were equal in size. Therefore, the squares on AD, DB are double the squares on AC, CD. And that is pretty much your whole proof. Hopefully you got all this. You need to take it carefully, step by step by step. Take a look at what I've told you. Get an idea and a concept in your mind of what I have done. And then you'll have a pretty good idea of what we were trying to prove in the first place. Alright. The very next proof I'm going to cover is going to be Euclid Book 2, proposition number 11. Not only am I going to give you a visual representation of the quadratic formula, but I am going to cover the golden ratio as well. It will be something very exciting to look forward to. It is coming this weekend. It will come in several parts because the proof is rather large, just like this one. And it'll be something that you really should look forward to. I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.